Today we'll talk about how can you deposit on your app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on fonts down here, you just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on deposit here, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just waiting to open with you. So I have nothing in my wallet here, and there can you select here way to deposit here on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.